Do you want to earn money online? Google AdSense might be the answer. Many websites and YouTubers use AdSense to generate income. How does it work? It's simple. You display ads on your platform and Google pays you every time someone clicks or views those ads. Sounds awesome, right? But wait, there's an important step you shouldn't ignore, especially if you're an Indian creator submitting your tax information. In India, earning money online means you need to pay taxes. Google AdSense, being an international platform, needs to comply with Indian tax laws. They do this by asking Indian creators to submit their tax information. Why is this crucial? Well, it ensures you're paying the correct taxes on your AdSense earnings. This keeps you on the right side of the law and avoids any potential issues with the Indian government later on. Submitting your tax information to Google AdSense is actually quite easy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, log into your AdSense account using your credentials and navigate to the Payments section. This is where all your financial details are managed. Next, find the Manage Settings option and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can update various account settings. Then, look for the Tax Information section. Here, you will need to click on Edit or Manage to update your tax details. Provide your PAN, which is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric identifier issued by the Indian Income Tax Department. This is crucial for tax purposes. Fill out the tax form provided by Google. The form is straightforward and tailored based on whether you are an individual or a business entity. Finally, review all the information you have entered. Double-check for any errors or missing details before you hit the Submit button. That's it. Once you have submitted the form, Google will review your information. You will receive a notification once your tax information has been verified and approved. Section 4. Benefits of timely tax submissions. Submitting your tax information on time brings several benefits which can significantly impact your financial health and peace of mind. Firstly, it ensures you receive your AdSense payments without delays, allowing for a steady cash flow. Google might withhold payments until tax information is provided, which can disrupt your financial planning. Secondly, accurate submissions help you avoid penalties, saving you from unnecessary financial burdens. The Indian government can impose penalties for incorrect or late tax submissions, which can be quite stressful and costly. Finally, it gives you peace of mind, knowing that your financial matters are in order. Knowing you're compliant with tax laws allows you to focus on what you enjoy: creating content and growing your audience. Section 5. Consequences of ignoring tax information. Ignoring tax information can lead to unwanted trouble. Google might suspend your AdSense account until you submit the necessary details. In some cases, you might even face legal consequences. The Indian government takes tax evasion seriously, and penalties can be hefty. Section 6. Tips to avoid common mistakes. Here are a few essential tips to avoid common mistakes. First, always double-check your PAN. Ensure you've entered the correct 10-digit number. A single mistake can lead to significant issues. Next, choose the correct tax form. This step is crucial for accurate tax reporting. Select the form that applies to your status as an individual or a business. Keep your information updated regularly. If your tax details change, update your AdSense account immediately. This ensures your earnings are reported correctly. By following these simple tips, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience with Google AdSense. Avoiding mistakes saves time and stress. Earning money online is exciting, but fulfilling your tax obligations is crucial. It keeps your business compliant and avoids penalties. By following these steps, you can focus on creating great content and growing your online income, all while staying on the right side of the law. Remember, accuracy and timely updates are key.